Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's content. If we're looking across the markets, you guys can see over the last 24 hours, we're finally starting to see the markets go back into that green, after that massive bloodbath that we have seen just the past few days ago. But again, the price of Bitcoin is still in some very, very crucial levels that we should be watching before we really do get excited. But today, guys, I will be looking at Terra Luna Classic, a daily update for you guys, and see what's happening with the price of Terra Luna Classic and what are some next price targets we should be looking at, and what are some news that are revolving around Terra Luna Classic. So if you're a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. Looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic, currently trading at that 0.00014 cents, down 0.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. You guys can see the market cap is still below that $1 billion mark, currently trading at 847.9 million, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 35.8 million. But now let's get right into the price and see what is going on and what are some next price targets we should be looking at right now for Terra Luna Classic. Are we in the danger zone, or are we looking okay? That's what I am going to get into in today's topic. But as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So right now, you guys can see the price is currently holding at some massive levels of support, which was a level of resistance for us earlier May and back on June. You guys can see this was a level of resistance for the price of Terra Luna Classic, and right now you cannot make this up that we're being supported by that level exactly right and now. And just a few days ago, after we saw the kind of a sell-off happen within the markets, we did see the price go all the way down to that 1.2 cents mark. But what's exactly the most likelihood scenario that could play out, and I'm gonna share that with you guys right now. Bitcoin, after that sell-off that we have seen, mainly due to the fact that Binance is being investigated, and I really do believe that impacted the price of Bitcoin. But overall, despite that fact, we're still in an upwards trend for the price of BTC. But right now, we are forming a green candle, currently sitting at $16,800 mark. But we're not getting excited at all until we get back from the 78.6, no matter what happens. And right now, we're definitely not there right now. So we do need to keep that factor in mind. And altcoins in general, obviously Terra Luna Classic included, it's not being helped because of the BTC index. On the other hand, is absolutely going insane, and that basically means more money right now is flowing into Bitcoin rather than the altcoins, because people are still not too convinced that the price of Bitcoin has been stabilized. So more money is flowing into Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin does tend to hold way better compared to altcoins. But right now, if we're looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic, you guys can see since that massive wick towards the downside, you guys can see the price did recover about 17%. So that was a nice bounce back towards the upside, but we're not out of the woods yet, guys. Absolutely not. We do need to start heading back to that 1.5 cents mark, but most importantly, back to where we were just a few days ago, around that 1.7 cents mark, which is a major level of resistance. So right now, guys, let me tell you something. If the price of Terra Luna Classic, again, this, whenever I'm making this analysis, it's for the short, immediate term. Long term, we're not looking at that. We're looking at the short, immediate term. We're looking at the, daily price movements. And right now, there is the chance for the price to plummet towards the downside, and I'll explain to you why that could happen. You guys can see we're being supported by massive levels of support right now, which was a resistance level. If we lose this, let's say the price of BTC were to start heading more towards the downside, tomorrow's Monday, and we do see more downwards momentum, more pressure coming on the BTC side, and we hear more negative news that were to come out of Binance, because obviously we did hear some sort of good news come out that they own like majority of their tokens. They actually own it, but remember, we're still not out of the woods. If we hear any sort of negative news in regards to that, we could lose the support, and we could even see the price of Terra Luna Classic go further down. And again, This is for the short and medium term, and this is definitely a possibility right now. And the buying pressure is definitely not there for us to look on the positive end as well. So that's something I want you guys to keep in mind right now. But long-term perspective, guys, if the overall Binance mania or whatever the investigations that are going on right now comes out to be clean, I really do believe Terra Luna Classic is going to have a positive impact. And not only that, the SBF arrest is going to be a massive catalyst as well, because we're going to hear more and more news come out in regards to that. And one question that is going to be definitely asked is, were you behind the collapse? And a lot of interesting time ahead, definitely, but we do need to see how this Binance entire situation plays out, because that's bigger than anyone can ever think. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Terra Luna Classic go, and also let me know your thoughts on the overall market. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's from Crypto ZX, and peace out.